So yeah, nag-decline ako ng 100,000 pesos na offer. And here's the reason why. Pero bago ang lahat, pakilala ko muna sarili ko. Ako si Kuya Jib, isang VA video editor and owner ng Balay Salida Studios. Okay, so balik tayo sa topic. Ano bang meron sa 100,000 pesos na offer? Bakit dinecline ko siya? So this project was done under Balay Salida Studios, the studio that I own. And just for context and background, Balay Salida, ang purpose niya is to help LGUs or local government units, NGOs or non-government organizations, and local businesses na gumawa ng videos for whatever they want na kailangan nila. By the way, Balay Salida Studios does not do kasal, burol, binyag, debu, birthdays. Nope, we don't do that. And for one simple reason, it's not my niche. So obviously, lahat ng mga gagawin kong videos are results-oriented. I want to make sure na yung video ay sasakto sa gusto ng kliyente or, magiging effective sa target audience ng client. Okay, so in this case, hindi ko muna i-disclose kung LGU yan, NGO, or business. Pero let's just say na hindi sila pumayag ng 50% down payment. Now, marami sa atin dito, especially sa mga creatives, is na pumapayag gumawa ng project kahit walang down payment. Not even 20%. Hindi sila nagpapa-down payment. And the reason is something that I understand. Kasi unang-una, hindi madali makakuha ng kliyente. Especially if you're starting. Kasi nga, di ba, nagsisimula ka pa lang, wala kang portfolio, wala kang pinapakita talaga na ano. Pero in my opinion, regardless kung kakasimula mo pa lang or matagal ka na sa industriya, kailangan mo pa rin talaga ng down payment, kontrata, and down payment. Kasi bandang dulo niyan, pag gumawa ka ng project at binuhos mo lahat ng effort mo doon, syempre gumastos ka, di ba? In my case, Balay Salida Studios, meron akong mga tao, meron akong video editor, meron akong cameraman, at lahat yan sila bayad. Hindi yan sila pwede ma-delay. Ako yung dapat ma-delay. Ako okay lang ako ma-delay. Pero ito, hindi sila pwede ma-delay. Kasi sila yung mga tao at ako yung business owner. So that's one of the sacrifices na kailangan gawin. Now, ang 50% down payment is una-una magiging protection nyo yan. At kailangan nyo yan. Now, it could vary naman. Bahala kayo kung magkano down payment ang gusto nyo. I mean, pero at least make sure 20% ang masisecure nyo as down payment. Huwag kayong papayag na para bang, hindi, sige, okay, malaki naman, after na lang, no. Kasi, what if nakulangan ng budget si client? Gagawin niya lahat ng paraan, ma-make sure lang na ma-delay ang pagbabayad sa'yo. Here, case in point, nung bagong video editor pa lang ako, I had this project, edit ko lang yung video. It's like 50,000 pesos. The problem was, umuo lang ako. Bago sure, go ahead. Oo, nothing to lose naman. I mean, meron naman ako extra na money, meron naman, hindi naman ako nag-aabol ng pera, di ba? Pero the thing is, nung natapos na yung video, ayaw nilang ibigay yung bayad kasi meron silang revision. In fact, with all honesty, yung revision was actually super stupid. Kasi like yung logo, there's this certain logo na kailangan merong ganitong coordinate sa pixels or whatever the fuck that is na I don't understand bakit kailangan gawin yon. And in my case, nakakalimang revision na ako. When will it end? When will I get paid? You see my point. Oh, by the way pala, yung revision as a video editor, dapat nakasaad yan sa kontrata mo. Okay? Just a quick tip. Oh, also I have another experience. Bakit hindi ako papayag na walang down payment? So, meron akong client. Ang kanyang kontrata is like 60,000 pesos. Game. Sabi ko, sige, mukhang mabait ka naman. Di na ako magpapa-down payment, basta mabayaran mo lang. Sabi niya, sure, go ahead. So, gumastos na ako. May LED, merong live stream. Like, kompleto Ricardos. At meron pa siya mga 2 extra na videos na inedit ko kasi kailangan ipalabas doon sa LED screen. Parang maliit na documentary na parang manunood sila sa sine na may, And let me tell you na hanggang ngayon, 10,000 pa rin nababayaran. It's been 2 years. 2 fucking years. And it's a lesson learned from my end na kung bakit kailangan ng down payment bago ka tumanggap ng project. Anyway, kung meron kayong tanong, comment nyo lang sa baba. Meron akong Discord. Chika tayo doon. Yeah. Ingat.